Hey everyone, it's Chris with Artifact. Today we're in the Artifact store and we're going to talk about apron waist extenders. If your Artifact apron does not fit around the waist and you have a leather strapped apron, it's not a problem. You can purchase an apron extender. But first, let's determine what kind of apron that you have. We have two styles. This is our Artisan series. It's heavier. It has two breast pockets and then this large pocket across the bottom. And the strap system for it is permanently attached with these rivets. It goes all the way across here. The other style of apron with leather strap that we have is our Culinary Apron, and that's right over here. The Culinary Apron is lighter in material. It has smaller pockets. It's got the one patch pocket here, and it has the breast pocket. But most importantly, your waist strap for this is attached with this tack button, and you can remove this button for laundering, so that way the leather doesn't go through the wash. So, first thing is determine what type of apron that you have. Then you're going to need to know what size waist extender strap to order. To do that, we ask that you tell us what the circumference of your waist is. To determine that, it's very simple. If you have a tailor tape, that's the easiest. So you just take it and go around your waist. We ask to go around what would be your lower waist, which would be approximately 3 inches below your navel. That's where your strap's going to hit you on the Artifact apron. So you bring it around and you find what that number is. And then you let us know. If you don't have one of these tailor tapes, you can just use a piece of string. Same deal, 3 inches below your navel, bring it around, mark where that is, and then measure that against something. I'm going to use this tape measure. And there we go. Another thing you'll want to let us know when you're ordering your waist extender is what color is the leather so that we can match that to your apron. The waist extender for the Artisan Series apron looks like this. It's the same width as the leather, the same material. It has a D-ring on one end and then this spring snap on the other. And so how you apply it to here is you unclip the existing strap, you add this extender here, and then it gives you whatever amount of extra length you need that you specify. And so it'll bring it out. Plus then you'll have this for adjustment as well, so if you're wearing a sweater or a coat with your apron. That is the Artisan waist extender strap. The Culinary one is a little different. Remember, on the Culinary apron, the entire strap is removable. So when you give us the circumference of your waist and the leather color that your apron is, the apron strap, what we're going to send you is going to be this tab here. We're not going to send you the entire strap. So what will happen is when you receive this tab, you're going to put it with the actual strap. So you'll unbutton it here, slide it through this ring, set that down, and then you'll thread it through here like this and button it. Make sure you button it so that the button face is also where the rivet face is as well. And then that can just be added to the apron whenever you're wearing it. And that concludes our overview of the apron waist extender. If you have additional questions, feel free to email us anytime at support@artifactbags.com. Thank you. Goodbye.